If you're looking for a Buffalo, New York, roofing company, you've come to the right place. For Brothers Builders LLC, Assured Roofing Systems, Kez Home Improvements, Grove Roofing Services, and others are local companies that offer a variety of roofing and home improvement services. Each company's professional staff believes in quality and goes the extra mile to make sure everything is done right. Their team of professionals is well trained in all aspects of the roofing and home improvement industry, and they are experts in a variety of different services. For Brothers Builders LLC, if you need a professional roofing contractor in Buffalo, New York, consider hiring for Brothers Builders LLC. This company specializes in the installation, repair, and replacement of architectural shingles and designer shingles. For Brothers Builders LLC can also install fluid-applied roofing systems. In addition to roofing, For Brothers Builders specializes in building envelope systems, siding, decks, additions, and renovations. Read on to learn more about their services. Grove Roofing Services is a full-service Buffalo roofing company. The company is experienced in installing and repairing residential roofs and offers free estimates. They also handle siding and gutter installation and repair. Among their many services, they also install GAF Decotech products and offer maintenance services. They are also a member of the National Roofing Contractors Association. Their team can handle all of your roofing needs, from repairing damaged or leaking roofs to constructing new ones. Assured Roofing Systems. If you're looking for a great Buffalo roofing contractor, you've come to the right place. Assured Roofing Systems provides a full range of home remodeling and roofing services. No matter what your vision is, Assured Construction can give you the look you want from the inside out. From kitchen remodeling to roofing services, we can help you build your dream home. Contact us today to learn more about our services. Assured Roofing Systems has been serving the Buffalo, New York area since 1952 and specializes in a wide range of home improvement projects, including roofing. These services include complete replacements, repairs, and caulking. AVA also installs sidings and repairs leaks. Their experienced staff will work with you to make sure you get the right service. Their technicians have over 40 years of experience and will work to ensure you're satisfied with your new roof. Kez Home Improvements. If you're in need of a quality roofing contractor in Buffalo, you've come to the right place. Kez Home Improvements is a local, full-service roofing contractor in Buffalo, New York, serving the area since 1993. As a GAF Master Elite Contractor, they specialize in roofing systems. In addition to roofing, they provide siding and window and door installation and repair, and kitchen and bathroom remodeling. The company's owner, Don Murray, has over 30 years of experience in the industry. The company specializes in commercial and residential roofing, including asphalt shingles and metal roofing. They are fully insured and licensed and use only the best materials on the market, including GAF shingles and commercial-grade rubberized roofing. They offer a full range of other home improvement services, including window and door installation, siding, gutters, and chimney rebuilding. You'll find them easy to work with, too, with a list of references and reviews online. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.